Curiosity Kid back, and today we're going to test out the water-cooled system. So let's go. So, we're done testing it. I have tested it before, and I ran it a lot harder than I did there. That was kind of just bashing, which is what you'll probably be doing, not like, because what I was doing is when the camera was off, and that was another day, but I was running it up and down, like full throttle, and it still didn't get hot. Like, it was hardly warm to the touch, and I could hold my fingers on it, no problem. The rule of thumb is if you can't hold your fingers on it, then it's too hot. So if you can hold your fingers on it, it's fine. And I could hold my fingers on it that time, and I even crashed it a few times by accident, and everything inside held up. And I don't know, if I showed this, but I added a heat sink. But yeah, so yeah, it didn't get that hot. I'll see if I can, it was probably under 20 degrees, maybe a little bit warmer than that, but it was really good. So it worked a lot better than I thought it would. So thanks for watching, subscribe, I'll see you in the next video.